In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to install Claude on Windows so you can start using AI on your computer. First, open the browser on your computer and go to the official Claude website. Once you are on the website, sign into your account or create a free account using your email or Google account. Currently, Claude works directly in the browser, so in most cases, you do not need to download or install any software on Windows. Simply access the website, log in, and you can start using Claude immediately. If you want faster access, you can create a shortcut so Claude works like an app on your computer. To do this in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, open the Claude website, click the browser menu, and look for the option Install App or Create Shortcut. After confirming, Claude will appear on your desktop or in the Start menu. This allows you to open Claude quickly whenever you need it. Claude can be used for coding, writing, answering questions, building projects, and automating tasks. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude on Windows quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.